Meghalaya largest gift coupon game will be held on 23rd December 2024 at Mendipathar, Meghalaya. The first prize of the game will be Mahindra Thar along with Mahindra Scorpio and Maruti Zenni Zeta, Maruti Wagon R, Maruti Alto K10. If anyone wants to buy a dealership or agency for this game and wants to buy tickets online, please contact the number given on the screen 80996 843 00. Tickets are priced at 100 rupees. Contact us if you need online tickets at numbers 809 96 84 300. The game is being held under full government permission. Meghalaya's biggest gift coupon game has already gained popularity. If you want to own a luxury vehicle, why delay? Try your luck by spending just Rs 100. The luxury vehicles are ready to be given as gifts to the people. The gift coupon game offers many luxury vehicles like Mahindra Thar, Mahindra Scorpio, Maruti Wagon R, Yamaha R15, MT15, Maruti Zenni Zeta Alto K10, etc. If you want to own a luxury vehicle, why delay? Contact us now at the number on the screen.